You rolled your legs sideways.
I know.
I didn't have anything to,
there he goes.
didn't have anything to hold on to.
Well, if you're gonna fall, you got it right. Look at this.
Try and write my name. Thanks.
Danger sign.
It was Brian's fault. He was supposed to catch me.
Danger.
Bumps. Danger what?
I don't know. One of them was hanging upside down, so evidently whatever was dangerous got out.
Mountain cats.
I said open. Don't tell Cassie. There's probably bobcats or
What? No.
This is a mountain cat. I mean, I guess if you run out of gas, we're gonna flat tire and have nothing to do about it.
Well, that's not morbid.
I mean,
Hit a flat tire, you're screwed.
It's not like America. There's not just a tow truck in every corner.
Why they don't have AAA out here?
I don't think your coverage is gonna work.
Hey, they say I have full coverage. Called. Yeah, I'm in Haiti. Wow, is that more mountain up there or is that clouds?
That's cloud.
Okay.
I think. I don't know. It's the cold.
Yeah, that's oh no, that's
Making it a verb though. Oh my goodness, look at this. That wouldn't be making it a verb though. We discussed what we were discussing. That wouldn't be making it a verb. I think this is your hand. You were not listening, baby.
No, I'm not.
That is awesome. It's just a lone mountain. Is that mountains or clouds? I can't tell.
There's a mountain underneath clouds.
What's funny is when we're
oh, you mean farther back?
Yeah, like,
mountain.
that's what I thought because we're coming off an incline, so it looks like it's lower than us. But it also kind of looks like clouds the way it's scattered out.
Don't hurt
I think
yourself.
it's a boat. I wonder what that says. Cliff 300 kilometers. Oh, we missed it.
What?
The whole.
Oh, that's good.
Holy crap! Can you imagine if that gave way?
That'd be bad news. so close to just like driving into that ditch. Ooh, no more brakes.
I'm okay with brakes. Brakes slowing down.
Brakes are good.
Okay. Yep. That's not me.
Hey,
Sorry.
I don't need to brush my hair.
I thought I was a little tangled. That's all.